Thank you for signing in today. Our video today is an example problem video. Today in class, we looked at using division to turn fractions into decimals, and we're going to do two example problems on that same thing now. The first example we're going to look at is 76 and 1/2. Now what's different about this is it's a mixed number. So there's two ways we can do it. We can either leave the 76 and just do the division on the fraction, or we can turn the whole thing into a mixed number and then do our division. I am going to turn the whole thing into a mixed number. So 76 times 2 is 152, plus 1 is 153. So we have 153 over 2. Now I set up my division. I have 153 on the inside, because that's the numerator, divided by 2. Now I go through my steps. 1 divided by 2 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Subtraction, 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring down the 5. 2 goes into 15 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Do my subtraction, I get 1. I bring down the 3. 2 goes into 13 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. Do my subtraction, I get 1. Now there's nothing left to bring down, so I have to add a decimal, add it in both places, and a 0. Bring down the 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. I subtract and I get a remainder of 0, which means we're done with that problem. So that's the first example. Our second example is 12 over 15. So 12 over 15, I know it's going to be less than 1 since the numerator is smaller than the denominator. My numerator goes on the inside of my division symbol. The denominator goes on the outside. Now I can already see 15 does not go into 12, so I'm going to add a... So 15 does not go into 12, so there's a 0 here. 0 times 15 is 0. Subtract, we get 12. Now I need to bring a number down, so I add a decimal and a 0. Now 15 goes into 120 8 times. 8 times 15 is 120. Do my subtraction, I get 0. So we're done with that problem.